Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you the IELTS exam prediction, very close prediction for your 16th January 2025 IELTS exam. If you are going to appear on 16th January 2025 IELTS exam, then definitely this video is very useful for you. But again, I'll just suggest you whatever you are preparing right now. Along with that, please look at these possible topics which I'm going to discuss with you today in this video. So in that way you can have some little idea and also get some confidence how to get your 8 plus band if you are looking forward to going to the countries where you are dreams for. Okay, so now let's get started. But before that, if you are new on this channel, please, I suggest and request, and it's kind of a humble request, I can say, please subscribe this channel and also share this video with your friends. And if you find this video is useful for you, please click on the thumbs up button also, because here we are just preparing the students for their future free of cost. Yes, we will not charge anything, any of the material, any of the ideas. You can use it, feel free wherever you want. There's no copyright for that too. But again, the only thing which I needed from you, that is just one like. Okay, if you don't like it, then again just click on unlike button, and then also please give us the feedback so that we can improve ourselves. Okay, my team and I, we are putting so much efforts to help the students. We are basically, many students ask me where are we belongs to. We are from America. This is basically and virtually we are teaching in India also. If you are interested, then definitely. And our another good news is we are going to start with our new group. And usually we are giving our one-on-one meetings and one-on-one interviews or one-on-one trainings or classes on Teams. So if you are looking for the you are looking for the English speaking courses, then definitely you need to join our teams. For that you need to send us an email, so my team will add you in there in new group. Okay, so we are very soon going to start with the new group. Okay, now let's get started without wasting your time. Listening topics. So very first, listening topic part one is always, that filling the blanks, form filling, okay, and conversation on the in the social settings, right? The topic like you need to prepare for this is booking a service or discussing an event. This is a very important. I know that you are preparing right now. Please look at all the Cambridge 11 to 19 books and then find all these topics, and please prepare all these, because this is kind of a prediction for your upcoming possible topics in your upcoming exam. Part 2, map, labeling or matching. Possibly the theme for that is also campus tour or park layouts and fashion and styles. These all are the important topics in this area, passage 2. And if we are moving to part 3, so part 3 is multiple choice question answers and matching or matching speakers with the opinions. So the topic likely to be students discussing a project or presentation in there. So these are the important one. And also part 4, filling the blanks and blank questions, and is in there, and multiple choice also be there. And the questions are here. The predictable questions for in this topic is lecture on science and technology and or health. So these are the topics is important for your part 4. So if you are going to appear for your upcoming IELTS exam on 16th January 2025, then please go over all these topics before your exam. And my suggestion is, if you need any kind of help, then definitely I'm here to help you out with that. But again, I only request you to please subscribe this channel before moving forward. Click on the red guy on your screen. Also, now let's move to the reading side. But again, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please also, if you like this video, click on the like button. And also, if you don't like this video, I'm okay with that too, because sometimes some students find this is not useful for them. But again, if you find this video is useful for you, then definitely I'll request you to please click on the like button. If you don't, then I will again request you to give us the feedback so that we can improve, and I can let my team to improve themselves too, and for myself too. Okay, so passage: true and false not given sentences. Completion will be factual and descriptive, and possible topics on that is historical events or natural phenomena. So these all are the important things are here which you need to consider and which you need to prepare for your upcoming IELTS exam. Passage 2, if we talk about passage 2, that the analyticals and informational likely topics for business, likely the topic should be business, technology, innovation. So question type should be, again, as everybody is aware, that matching the headings and multiple choice question answer. If you notice in my previous video which I uploaded, the answer key of your very first exam of this brand new year, 4th January 2025, I put that all the answers. I did not put that A, B, C, D option, but feel free, you can do that one. I can do it in the future, but I just want to, when you are learning, when you are writing A, B, C, D, before that deciding A, B, C, D, you always read the sentence, right? Sentence A and B, A side and B side, right? And then you match. So accordingly, I'll just put that the answer. So in that case, if you forget that what option you selected, you can remember yourself with that name, the fill up name or matching name. Okay, all right, moving forward to the passage 3 we already discussed. So this is all about the reading side here. So my preparation tip for this is focus on your identifying keywords and paragraphs, and also ideas in questions and passages. So, and the book consultation should be like for your 11 to 19 Cambridge book. 20th should be, you can see, very soon in June or maybe July. This is a month we are planning to launch that book. Also, if you are looking for extra material, then you can go over the online stuff, then you can see over there, but you need to give that the topics. Okay, please prepare all these topics along with your all the preparation what you are doing right now. So add up these also in there. Okay, all right, so moving forward to the writing section. If you are talking about the writing, task 1 is academic, likely line, graph, pie chart or diagrams, and also expected also we expect that the compare trends or explain process too. So these all are important in academic side. And if you move forward to the task 2 for the journal training likely formal letter, and possible scenario is a complaint, a request for information, or a recommendation. So these all are the possible, very possible, very close possible predictions for there in task 2 in general training too. So now for task 2, both for academic and journal, expected topic is for task 2 is technology, as I always mention. Then here you need to very specific about to prepare the topic for AI. That is very important now in these days, the impact of AI on jobs or social industries. Okay, so this is kind of a very important topic you need to prepare before your exam. And second topic is health. Health is a role of government in promoting a health lifestyle. So these are the important in the health side. And environment is also balancing development with sustainability. So these all are the important topics here for your task 2. If guys you're looking for the free speaking buddy partners, then again we are here. But again, what we need from you, that please practice for your recent mock test, to get familiar with the current questions and current topics and current question types, and use time management strategy. That is again very big tip from my side to you, all of you, and to ensure to fill all the sections within a time limit. So please give give yourself a time when you are doing practice of your IELTS exam. And for writing tasks, focus on the grammar, vocabulary, and task achievement. So these all things are very, very important. If you need any help for the vocabulary side, then definitely please reach out to me. Write down in the comment section. I'm always here to help you out. But again, you need to express what you need, okay? Without your expression, we are not God to imagine or think and get the invisible messages from your brain. So we need the clear information what you needed. If you need any kind of information, please write down in the comment section. We are always here to help you out with that. And now this is all I have it. Now good luck for your exam, and let me know if you need any specific information, material, or any guidance. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. See you guys. Bye bye. Take care.